Hello everyone. Today I'm super excited to take you on a vibrant journey into the world of Technopaints, the name behind some of the most luxurious living spaces in Hyderabad. Technopaints doesn't just color walls, they transform ideas into stunning realities, breaststroke by breaststroke. Here is something amazing. Technopaints has been proudly associated with the Vessela Group for two breathtaking projects, Vessela Meadows and Vessela Woods. These projects are a testament to modern luxury, and Technopaints has brought these spaces to life, adding perfect blend of elegance and durability to their 373 villas. Technopaints has taken care of both interior and exterior painting for this massive project. For the interiors, they used classic premium emulsion for a smooth and sophisticated finish, fine texture for an artistic touch, techno exterior primer to ensure long-lasting durability. For the exteriors, Technopaints chose the unmatched Protect Plus luxury exterior emulsion, ensuring every villa stands strong, vibrant and weather-resistant for years to come. Now, let's talk about the scale of this project. The numbers will blow your mind. 373 luxurious villas, 45,12,679 square feet of interior wall painted, and 30,23,668 square feet of external walls painted. 2 lakh square feet of clubhouses and shade spaces. Technopaints didn't leave a single detail untouched. Their process was meticulous, starting with the cement putty, followed by waterproof wall care putty, ultra exterior primer, and finally classic premium emulsion for a flawless finish. For the exteriors, they went the extra mile. Technopaints began with a bio-wash treatment to prevent fungi, algae, and bacteria, followed by elastometric, fine texture, ultra exterior primer, and finally 2 coats of Protect Plus luxury emulsion. Now, here is what sets Technopaints apart from the rest. They manufacture their own paint products, supply them directly to the site, and complete the projects with their team of highly skilled painters and experts. This unique model ensures faster delivery before deadlines, reduced burden on builders and management, top-notch quality and precision in every stroke. That's why Technopaints has become a name synonymous with trust, quality and excellence in the industry. So, if you're looking to turn your project into a masterpiece, just like Vessela Meadows and Vessela Woods, look no further. At Technopaints, the promise is simple. Your project, our responsibility. Because at Technopaints, we don't just supply paint, we provide solutions. With us, you'll always experience the magic of we supply, we apply. Here is to transforming dreams into reality, one breaststroke at a time with Technopaints. Right choice in colors.